Hey everybody, welcome back to this Kyosho Hanging On Racer Kit build series. Today we're going to be working on page 10, so let's get started on step 16. And for the plastic pieces, we're going to need this figurine anchor right here. And also this piece is G4. So we're going to thread this through here, and I think these are the same on both sides. Going to thread that through all the way, and then put that screw simple. Next, we're going to attach the ball studs on each side. Okay, should look something like that. Okay, it's pretty straightforward. We're going to thread the screw through this side with the washer. And then I'm going to put the pipe through there like that. Now we're going to close it up. When you're done, it should look something like this. All right, for the next step, we're going to be assembling the fairing and then mounting it onto the motorcycle. And you can see I've already put it together because I wanted to paint it, so I kind of skipped ahead. This piece right here in the middle is H5. All you have to do is put a little glue on each side. I used Tamiya modeling glue, and then put it together and just give it a little bit of time before you continue to the next step. Now we're going to put on the windscreen. And all it is 2 screws. Okay, it should look like that. Now we're going to put the fairing onto the bike. And to do that, we're going to use these white flathead screws. We're going to need 4 of them. And also these 2 self-support guides. So first thing I'm going to do is line this up just a little bit. Okay, now we're close. I'm going to set this in there. And then line it all up. Okay, and that step is done. Looking cool. I'm going to call the video right here because the next step is going to be assembling half of the figurine, and it doesn't make any sense to have just half a figurine built and then go on to the next video. So next video, obviously, we're going to be building the rider of this motorcycle, and then we'll wrap it up. So thanks for watching this video. If you got anything out of it, please drop a like, subscribe for more, and I'll see you guys in the next one.